Hi everybody, this is Suresh. Here I am back with a fish curry South Indian style for you. A fish curry does not need any kind of explanation or an introduction, as most of us know that fish curry is prepared in different part of the world in its own style and variations. So let's straight go into making an Indian, and that too a South Indian style fish curry. Which would be spicy and tangy, and this is a tamarind pulp based curry with certain basic Indian spices, easy and quick to make. Heat oil in a shallow pan. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and allow the seeds to splutter and crack. Add 1 pod of crushed garlic. Saute the garlic till it's golden brown. Add the chopped onions and cook them till they are translucent. Add salt to taste. Adding salt to onions while we saute the onions actually speeds up the process and turns the onions translucent very fast. Add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. One teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Combine all the spices and cook them till they are aromatic. Add chopped tomatoes and mix them well. Now add the tamarind extract. You can extract tamarind juice twice from the same tamarind. The first one will be stronger and then the second will be a little lighter. So use both of them for the curry and instead of adding water. Now cover and cook the curry till the tomatoes and onions are mashed and they form into a thick gravy. Now the gravy has thickened and the oil has just come up. That means the gravy is ready. Now it's time for us to add the fish. Clean the fish well and drain the water from the fish before you add it to the curry. Take the curry from the sides and put it over the fish, so automatically the fish would just gently get immersed into the curry. Be gentle with the fish, otherwise it will break. Now cover the fish and cook further for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. Keep an eye to make sure that it does not get burnt at the bottom. After 8 to 10 minutes, open the fish and it should be ready. Be gentle in handling the fish as it's already cooked well and it's very soft and it would break. So the service should be done very carefully. Okay, so now the fish curry is ready and it's time to serve. Serve the fish with white rice. Okay, there is a secret that I would like to share with you. After you make the fish, don't serve it immediately. Keep it overnight so that the fish will soak up all the spices for the next day, and it would be great the next day. Thank you for watching the video. Please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Your suggestions and comments are very important to us to improve upon our future videos. Refer to the description box below for recipe details. Thank you.